Autokeras Online Training. Introduction to Autokeras. Autokeras is an open-source automated machine learning (AutoML) library built on top of TensorFlow. It simplifies the process of building and deploying machine learning models by automating key tasks such as model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and architecture search. Simplicity. Autokeras is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to both beginners and experts in machine learning. It provides a high-level API that abstracts away many complexities of traditional machine learning workflows. Automated architecture search. One of the key features of Autokeras is its ability to automatically search for the optimal neural network architecture for a given dataset. It uses techniques such as neural architecture search (NAS) to explore a large space of possible architectures and identify the one that best fits the data. Hyperparameter tuning. In addition to architecture search, Autokeras also automates the process of hyperparameter tuning. It automatically selects the best hyperparameters for the chosen architecture, optimizing model performance without manual intervention. Flexibility. While Autokeras provides automated solutions for many aspects of model building, it also offers flexibility for users to customize and fine-tune their models. Users can specify constraints, preferences, and custom metrics to guide the search process. What is Autokeras? Autokeras is an open-source library built on top of Keras and TensorFlow that automates various aspects of deep learning, making it accessible to a wider range of users. It streamlines the process by handling tasks like model selection. Autokeras automatically searches for and evaluates different neural network architectures to find models that perform well on your specific dataset. Hyperparameter tuning. It adjusts various settings within the chosen models, example, number of layers, number of neurons, to optimize their performance. Data preprocessing. Autokeras can take care of basic data preprocessing steps like normalization or one-hot encoding, reducing your workload. How does Autokeras work? Autokeras is an open-source automated machine learning (AutoML) library built on top of TensorFlow. It aims to make machine learning accessible to non-experts by automating the process of selecting the appropriate model architecture and hyperparameters for a given task. Here's a simplified overview of how Autokeras works. Data preprocessing. Autokeras starts by preprocessing the input data, which involves tasks such as normalization, scaling, and data augmentation, if specified. Neural architecture search. NAS. The core of Autokeras is its neural architecture search algorithm. This algorithm automatically explores a large search space of possible neural network architectures to find the most suitable one for the given dataset and task. Search space. Autokeras defines a search space that includes various types of neural network layers, example, convolutional layers, dense layers, as well as hyperparameters for each layer, example, number of filters, kernel size. Bayesian optimization. Autokeras employs Bayesian optimization techniques to efficiently search through the large space of possible architectures. Bayesian optimization is a probabilistic model-based optimization technique that aims to find the optimal set of hyperparameters by iteratively selecting new configurations based on past evaluations. Model training and evaluation. Once the search process is complete, Autokeras trains multiple candidate models using the discovered architectures and hyperparameters. It evaluates each model using techniques such as cross-validation or a validation set to estimate its performance on unseen data. What are the key features of Autokeras? Autokeras is a popular open-source library for automated machine learning, AutoML, in Python. Its key features include automated architecture search. Autokeras automates the process of neural architecture search, NAS, allowing users to find the best neural network architecture for their specific dataset without manual intervention. Easy-to-use interface. Autokeras provides a user-friendly interface that abstracts away much of the complexity of building neural networks, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. Modular design. It follows a modular design, allowing users to easily customize and extend its functionality according to their specific needs. Support for various tasks. Autokeras supports various machine learning tasks, including classification, regression, and image classification. Integration with TensorFlow. It is built on top of TensorFlow, leveraging its powerful backend for efficient training and deployment of machine learning models. Support for custom data. Autokeras allows users to easily work with their own datasets, enabling them to train models on data specific to their domain or application. Efficient hyperparameter tuning. Autokeras incorporates efficient hyperparameter tuning techniques to optimize the performance of generated neural network architectures. Scalability. It is designed to scale well to large datasets and complex model architectures, making it suitable for a wide range of machine learning tasks. What are the advantages of using Autokeras? Autokeras is a popular open-source automated machine learning (AutoML) library built on top of TensorFlow. It offers several advantages. Ease of use. Autokeras simplifies the process of building and training machine learning models by automating many of the manual tasks involved, such as architecture search and hyperparameter tuning. This makes it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise in machine learning. Automated model selection. Autokeras employs sophisticated algorithms to automatically select the most suitable model architecture for the given dataset and task. This eliminates the need for users to manually choose a model type, saving time and effort. Hyperparameter optimization. Autokeras automatically tunes hyperparameters such as learning rates, batch sizes, and network architectures to optimize model performance. This helps in achieving better results compared to manually tweaking hyperparameters. Flexibility. Despite its automation, Autokeras provides users with flexibility to customize various aspects of the model training process, such as specifying constraints, tuning parameters, and selecting metrics for evaluation. Compatibility with TensorFlow. Autokeras is built on top of TensorFlow, a widely used deep learning framework. This ensures seamless integration with TensorFlow-based workflows and allows users to leverage TensorFlow's extensive ecosystem of tools and resources. Scalability. Autokeras is designed to handle large datasets and complex machine learning tasks efficiently. It can leverage distributed computing and GPU acceleration to speed up the training process, making it suitable for both small-scale experiments and production-grade applications. Community support. Being an open source project, Autokeras benefits from a vibrant community of developers and researchers who contribute to its development, documentation, and support. This ensures that users have access to ongoing improvements, bug fixes, and helpful resources. What are the limitations or drawbacks of Autokeras? Autokeras is a popular automated machine learning (AutoML) tool that streamlines the process of building deep learning models. While it offers many benefits, it also has some limitations and drawbacks. Limited model types. Autokeras primarily focuses on neural network architectures, particularly deep learning models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. It might not be the best choice for tasks where other types of models, such as decision trees or ensemble methods, perform better. Limited customization. Autokeras aims to automate the model selection and hyperparameter tuning processes, which means users have limited control over the specifics of model architecture and optimization. Advanced users who prefer fine-tuning every aspect of their models might find this restrictive. Complexity. While Autokeras simplifies the process of building deep learning models, it can still be complex to use, especially for beginners. Understanding the underlying mechanisms of deep learning and the various options within Autokeras can require a steep learning curve. Performance. While Autokeras can produce decent models, it might not always achieve state-of-the-art performance compared to manually crafted models or models built with more sophisticated AutoML tools. Depending on the task and dataset, manually fine-tuned models might outperform those generated by Autokeras. Resource-intensive. Training multiple models and searching for optimal hyperparameters can be computationally expensive and time-consuming, especially for large datasets or complex neural network architectures. Users should be prepared for significant computational requirements. Dependency on data quality and quantity. Autokeras' performance heavily depends on the quality and quantity of the input data. If the dataset is small, noisy, or unrepresentative, Autokeras might struggle to produce satisfactory models. Pre-processing and data augmentation techniques are crucial to improve results. How does Autokeras compare to traditional machine learning methods? Autokeras is a powerful tool that automates the process of building machine learning models, particularly deep learning models, making it accessible to users without extensive machine learning expertise. Here's how it compares to traditional machine learning methods. Automation. Autokeras automates the process of model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and architecture search. Traditional machine learning methods often require manual intervention for tasks like feature selection, hyperparameter tuning, and model selection. Deep learning focus. Autokeras is primarily designed for deep learning tasks, especially neural networks. It leverages neural architecture search, NAS, techniques to find the optimal neural network architecture for a given dataset and task. Traditional machine learning methods encompass a wider range of techniques, including linear models, decision trees, support vector machines, etc., which may be more suitable for certain types of data or tasks. Ease of use. Autokeras is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to those without extensive machine learning expertise. It abstracts away much of the complexity involved in building and tuning deep learning models. Traditional machine learning methods may require more manual effort and domain knowledge to achieve good results. Scalability. Autokeras can handle large datasets and complex model architectures, but it may require significant computational resources, especially for tasks like neural architecture search. Traditional machine learning methods can often be more lightweight and scalable, making them suitable for deployment in resource-constrained environments. Interpretability. Traditional machine learning methods often offer better interpretability than deep learning models. Techniques like decision trees and linear models provide clear insights into how the model makes predictions, which can be important for domains where interpretability is crucial. Performance. The performance of Autokeras models can vary depending on factors like dataset size, complexity, and the quality of the neural architecture search. In some cases, traditional machine learning methods may outperform Autokeras, especially for small datasets or when interpretability is more important than raw predictive accuracy. What are some real-world applications of Autokeras? Image classification. Autokeras can automatically search for the best CNN, convolutional neural network, architecture, and hyperparameters for tasks such as classifying images into different categories. This can be useful in applications like medical image analysis, object detection, and satellite image classification. Text classification. Autokeras can be used for tasks such as sentiment analysis, spam detection, and document classification by automatically searching for the best neural network architecture and hyperparameters for processing textual data. Regression tasks. Autokeras is capable of handling regression tasks, such as predicting house prices, stock prices, or any other continuous variable from input features. It can automatically search for the best regression model architecture and hyperparameters. Time series forecasting. Autokeras can be applied to time series forecasting tasks, such as predicting future sales, demand, or weather conditions based on historical data. It can automatically search for the best recurrent neural network, RNN, or long short-term memory, LSTM, architecture and hyperparameters. Structured data analysis. Autokeras can be used for analyzing structured data, such as customer demographics, financial data, or sensor data. It can automatically search for the best neural network architecture, including both feed-forward and deep learning models, for tasks like classification or regression. Image segmentation. Autokeras can also be utilized for image segmentation tasks, where the goal is to partition an image into multiple segments and assign a label to each segment. This can be useful in medical imaging for identifying different organs or anomalies in images. Can Autokeras be used for deep learning tasks other than image classification? Yes, Autokeras can be used for various deep learning tasks beyond image classification. While Autokeras gained popularity initially for its AutoML capabilities in image classification, it has evolved to support other tasks as well. As of my last update, Autokeras also supports tasks such as text classification. Autokeras provides functionalities to automatically search for the best neural network architecture and hyperparameters for text classification tasks. Structured data classification. It can also be used for tabular data classification tasks, where features are structured in rows and columns. Regression. Autokeras can automatically build regression models for predicting continuous numerical values. Time series forecasting. With its flexibility, Autokeras can be adapted for time series forecasting tasks, such as predicting future values based on historical data. What is the role of Neural Architecture Search (NAS) in Autokeras? In Autokeras, Neural Architecture Search (NAS) plays a crucial role in automatically finding the optimal neural network architecture for a given task or dataset. NAS algorithms, such as those implemented in Autokeras, explore a search space of possible architectures and evaluate them based on some performance metric, such as accuracy or validation loss. Autokeras utilizes NAS to search through a predefined space of neural network architectures, including various types of layers, connections, and hyperparameters. By doing so, Autokeras aims to automate the process of designing and tuning neural networks, which can be time-consuming and require expertise. Overall, NAS in Autokeras helps in creating models that are tailored to specific tasks and datasets without requiring manual intervention in the design process. How user-friendly is Autokeras for beginners? Autokeras is generally considered beginner-friendly due to its high-level API and automated model selection and hyperparameter tuning capabilities. Here's why. High-level API. Autokeras provides a simple and intuitive API similar to other popular deep learning libraries like Keras. Users can define and train models with just a few lines of code. Automated Architecture Search. Autokeras automates the process of selecting the neural network architecture best suited for your dataset. This eliminates the need for users to have expert knowledge in neural network design. Hyperparameter tuning. Autokeras also automates hyperparameter tuning, such as learning rate, batch size, etc., which can be daunting for beginners. It uses techniques like Bayesian optimization to efficiently search the hyperparameter space. Integration with TensorFlow and Keras. Autokeras seamlessly integrates with TensorFlow and Keras, making it easy for users already familiar with these libraries to adopt Autokeras. Documentation and community support. Autokeras has extensive documentation and a growing community of users. Beginners can find plenty of tutorials, guides, and forums to help them get started and troubleshoot any issues they encounter. Are there any prerequisites for using Autokeras effectively? Autokeras aims to make the process of building and training machine learning models as simple as possible, but there are still some prerequisites for using it effectively. Python and TensorFlow knowledge. Autokeras is a Python library built on top of TensorFlow. Therefore, having a good understanding of Python programming and familiarity with TensorFlow concepts will be beneficial. Understanding of machine learning concepts. While Autokeras automates much of the model selection and hyperparameter tuning process, having a basic understanding of machine learning concepts such as supervised learning, model evaluation, and overfitting will help you make informed decisions throughout the model development process. Data preprocessing skills. Data preprocessing is a crucial step in any machine learning project. While Autokeras can handle some preprocessing tasks automatically, you may still need to perform data cleaning, feature engineering, and normalization before feeding your data into AutoKeras. Data availability. You'll need a dataset to train your models. Ensuring that you have a sufficient amount of labeled data available for training is essential for achieving good results with AutoKeras. Computational resources. Depending on the size of your dataset and the complexity of the models you're training, you may need access to sufficient computational resources, such as CPU or GPU power, to train your models efficiently. How customizable is AutoKeras for specific use cases? AutoKeras is a user-friendly and customizable framework for automated machine learning, AutoML, but its level of customization for specific use cases depends on various factors. Search space. AutoKeras allows customization through defining the search space for neural architectures. Users can specify different types of layers, their configurations, and constraints, allowing for tailored solutions to specific tasks. Hyperparameter optimization. While AutoKeras automates the process of hyperparameter tuning, users can still customize the search space for hyperparameters and define constraints based on the specific requirements of their use case. Pre-processing and data augmentation. AutoKeras provides options for pre-processing and data augmentation. Users can customize these processes to suit their data and domain-specific requirements. Customized blocks. AutoKeras allows users to define custom neural network blocks, enabling the incorporation of domain-specific knowledge or architectural constraints into the search space. Integration with external libraries. AutoKeras can be integrated with external libraries for specific tasks or functionalities. Users can leverage libraries like TensorFlow and Keras for additional customization. Callbacks and extensions. AutoKeras supports callbacks and extensions, which can be used to incorporate custom functionality during training or evaluation. This allows users to integrate custom logic or metrics into the AutoKeras pipeline. Transfer learning and pre-trained models. Users can leverage transfer learning and pre-trained models within AutoKeras, providing a way to customize models based on existing architectures and domain-specific datasets. Advanced usage. Advanced users can directly manipulate the underlying TensorFlow or Keras models generated by AutoKeras for fine-grained customization, although this might require more expertise and understanding of neural network architectures. What is the future outlook for AutoKeras and automated machine learning, AutoML, in general? AutoKeras and automated machine learning, AutoML, in general have seen significant growth and adoption in recent years, driven by the increasing demand for machine learning solutions and the scarcity of skilled data scientists. The future outlook for AutoKeras and AutoML is promising for several reasons. Advancements in algorithms. AutoML algorithms are continuously evolving, becoming more efficient and effective in generating high-performing machine learning models. As research in this area progresses, we can expect further improvements in the capabilities of AutoML tools like AutoKeras. Democratization of machine learning. AutoML platforms aim to democratize machine learning by making it accessible to individuals and organizations without extensive expertise in data science. This democratization trend is likely to continue, empowering more people to leverage machine learning for various applications. Integration with development tools. AutoML tools are increasingly being integrated into popular development environments and platforms, making it easier for developers to incorporate machine learning capabilities into their applications seamlessly. This trend is likely to accelerate, driving further adoption of AutoML in real-world applications. Customization and flexibility. While AutoML provides automated solutions, there is also a growing emphasis on providing users with the flexibility to customize and fine-tune the generated models to suit specific requirements. Future AutoML platforms are likely to offer more options for customization, catering to a wider range of use cases. Domain-specific solutions. As AutoML matures, we can expect the development of more domain-specific solutions tailored to specific industries or applications. These specialized AutoML tools will address the unique challenges and requirements of different domains, further expanding the reach of automated machine learning. Ethical and responsible AI. With the increasing adoption of machine learning in various domains, there is a growing emphasis on ethical and responsible AI practices. Future AutoML tools are likely to integrate features that promote fairness, transparency, and accountability in machine learning models. Advantages of Autokeras online training. Accessibility. Autokeras is easily accessible to both beginners and experts in machine learning. Its user-friendly interface allows even those without extensive knowledge of machine learning to create and train models. Automation. Autokeras automates the process of model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and architecture search, saving users time and effort. This automation can lead to faster model development and deployment. Reduced resource requirements. Online training with Autokeras typically requires fewer computational resources compared to traditional manual model development. This is because Autokeras automates many aspects of the model development process, reducing the need for extensive computational power. Customization. While Autokeras automates many aspects of model development, it also provides flexibility for users to customize their models as needed. Users can specify constraints, preferences, and other parameters to tailor the model to their specific requirements. Scalability. Autokeras can be easily scaled to handle large datasets and complex model architectures. This scalability makes it suitable for a wide range of machine learning tasks, from small-scale experiments to production-level deployments. Community support. Autokeras has a growing community of users and developers who contribute to its development and provide support through forums, documentation, and tutorials. This community support can be valuable for users seeking assistance or guidance during the model development process. Career opportunities in Autokeras. Autokeras is an open-source AutoML library for deep learning. As it gains popularity and adoption, career opportunities related to Autokeras are likely to increase. Here are some potential career paths and opportunities in Autokeras. Machine Learning Engineer. Autokeras can be a valuable tool for machine learning engineers, allowing them to automate the process of model selection and hyperparameter tuning. Engineers with expertise in Autokeras can work on developing and deploying machine learning solutions more efficiently. Data Scientist. Data scientists can leverage Autokeras to quickly prototype and evaluate machine learning models on various datasets. They can use AutoKeras as part of their toolkit for data preprocessing, feature engineering, model selection, and evaluation. AI researchers in artificial intelligence can explore ways to improve and extend AutoKeras, such as developing new search algorithms, incorporating state-of-the-art techniques, or optimizing its performance for specific tasks. AI consultants can offer services related to AutoKeras, such as helping organizations integrate it into their machine learning workflows, providing training on how to use AutoKeras effectively, or advising on best practices for applying AutoML techniques. Software developers can contribute to the development of AutoKeras itself by contributing code, fixing bugs, or adding new features. They can also build applications or tools that leverage AutoKeras to solve specific problems in various domains. Data engineers can work on building and maintaining the infrastructure required to support AutoKeras workflows, such as data pipelines, storage systems, and computing resources for training models at scale. Product managers can identify opportunities to integrate AutoKeras into existing products or develop new products based on its capabilities. They can also prioritize feature development and gather feedback from users to improve the usability and effectiveness of AutoKeras. Researchers in academia can use AutoKeras for experimental purposes, exploring new machine learning techniques or conducting comparative studies with other AutoML frameworks. They can also contribute to the academic community by publishing papers on their findings. Why choose ProExcellency for AutoKeras online training? ProExcellency could be a top choice for AutoKeras online training for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency likely offers training by experienced professionals who have extensive knowledge of AutoKeras and its applications in machine learning and deep learning. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training program likely covers a wide range of topics related to AutoKeras, ensuring that participants gain a deep understanding of the tool and its capabilities. Hands-on experience. They may provide hands-on experience with AutoKeras through practical exercises, projects, and real-world examples, allowing participants to apply what they've learned in a practical setting. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency may offer flexibility in terms of timing and pace, allowing participants to learn at their own convenience without having to adhere to a strict schedule. Support and resources. They may offer additional support and resources such as forums, discussion groups, and access to materials beyond the training sessions to facilitate learning and address any questions or challenges participants may encounter. Reputation. ProExcellency may have a reputation for delivering high-quality training programs in the field of machine learning and deep learning, making them a trusted choice for individuals seeking AutoKeras training. Thank you.